Please take small children by the hand and watch your step onto the moving platform. The platform is moving momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly go to stop.
Recording our knowledge on when we move, the recorded knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead because something is about to happen here.
That's not really bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Θεωρήσομεν πως η μαθηματική ημών γνώσης δύναται υπολογίσει αστέρων κίνηση με την δε ουράνια σφαίρα. Ούλης μονής αυτήν σοφίαν εκλίδου κατατιθέμεν. Ουρανός τέιε κατέχουν μάλα μυστήρια και τι όλα λύονται από τη μαθηματική σοφία. Προς παράδειγμα, Θεωρήσομεν πως η μαθηματική μνημών γνώσης δύναται υπολογίσει αστέρων κίνηση με την δευτεράνεα σφαίρα. Ούλης μονής αυτήν σοφίαν ευκλήδου κατατιθέν. Ουρανός τέιε.
Please remain seated. Your time machine is very close. We begin moving immediately.
Λύονται από τη μαθηματική.
Remain seated, please. Our journey is resuming now.
Θεωρήσομεν πως η μαθηματική μνημών γνώσης
Please
δύναται
remain
υπολογίσει
seated. Your vehicle will
αστέρων
begin moving
κίνηση με
immediately.
την
Remain
δευτεράνεα
seated,
σφαίρα.
please. Our travels are resuming now.
Ούλης μονής αυτήν σοφίαν ευκλήδου κατατιθέν. Ουρανός τέιε κατέχουν μάλα μυστήρια και τη ώρα λύονται από τη μαθηματική.
And the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. It shows out the copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Egypt. It's watched over by our future scholars. According to these first backups, the books are saved, and with them our dreams of the here in Europe, much slower things. Young people with passion for put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. Once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time, here we are, a crowded global community, poised for the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made in the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future of one person at a time. And now, it's your time. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, scroll up a few pages. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Doing everything I don't agree with.
Oh, I was into the destination. Country.
Okay.
Just make it bad.
Your house.
Oh, my bad.
Everything I want to do. Power.
You want to be traveling later?
Yeah.
Now, along with your answers, let's dive into some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you need. And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're on.
Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You leave your country home with an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip to your personal travel agent. Hotel, check. Restaurants, check. Tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected with friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right in.
It's so funny. I have four
And, or should I say, the beginning of your future.
Some people weren't sure what you're doing. I do know it will be quite an adventure. And those children will take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands open the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
You guys watch that stuff?